Oh my god, is that an alligator? What the hell is that? That's an alligator. That is a big one. Oh, there goes one. Okay, I think I get out of here. This is the Newnans Lake boat ramp. Public boat ramp, free of charge. Dumps you down in about 4 feet of water, concrete. Here is my routine at the start of every trip. I set up my chart plotter to track my route. I make the track color red, it's the easiest one to see, and then I bring it back to the map. Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. I am at Newnans Lake in Gainesville, Florida. And I am solo, and I am here early. And I'm here just to check out this lake, both on the lake and around it. More on that later. There's a ton of alligators in this lake. I just see them on the surface and then diving down. I don't think they're going to show up on camera, but I had watched a YouTube short before I came of about 15 gators swimming across this lake. I wonder why they're so far up north in this lake. Anyway, they're leaving me alone. I'll leave them alone. So that's the second boat ramp over there, a public boat ramp. Pretty crazy in person. I don't know what it's going to look like on the camera, but wow. Oh my god, is that an alligator? What the hell is that? That's an alligator. That is a big one. Oh, there goes one. Okay, I think I get out of here. This looks to be the deepest part of the lake here. I just went over 10 feet. What's interesting about this lake, it's a designated conservation area. It's mainly a fishing lake, but a few years ago some high school students out on a field trip uncovered the remains of Native American canoes dating back 5,000 years. 5,000. So early Native American. And there were 100 canoes that they recovered. Last week I was out with Danny and Tracy and Sean. We had a great time, high mileage trip, 110 miles. Sometimes you just got to get out on your own solo. I've said that a couple times on my channel. There's nothing like being by yourself. Today it's a pretty low risk small lake, but it's nice to go exploring and it's close to home. If you're in Gainesville, you might want to use this lake if you got a new jet ski to practice your craft. I think I've explored the lake as much as I need to. Now for part 2 of this adventure. A few videos ago you saw I combined jet skiing and pickleball. Today I'm going to combine my other 2 sports, cycling and jet skiing, and I'm going to now cycle around the lake, and we'll now go to part 2. Alright, time to transition from jet ski to cycling. I know it looks like a mess in there, but I had a lot in there. Okay, we're on the bike now. Just gonna ride around the lake. The lake is out there. Armadillo. Going through a little community. That looks like another ramp, at least up here. Working my way up the northwest side of the lake now. Just had a dog chase me, but he stayed in his lane, I stayed in mine. Busier. I guess everybody coming into Gainesville to go to work and school. Definitely the most dangerous part of the whole morning. Turn off. Idiot. Okay, 7 miles going south on 234. No shoulder, but it should be less traffic, obviously. There's an old church. It's very interesting. Interesting houses here too. These are all live oak trees with Spanish moss on them. And there's the Owens, Illinois road to the other boat ramp that we saw at the park. Up here, we're gonna get on a trail that runs from Gainesville east. Gainesville to Hawthorne State Trail. I hear it's pretty boring, but we're gonna take it, stay off the highway until we get back to the boat ramp. I am not a big fan of riding on trails. It's just too boring for me. I need the excitement almost being killed on the highway. I just crossed over that creek where I was on my jet ski and I saw that gator, and now I know why there was a current there. That is a drainage into prairie conservation area. Okay, back to the ramp. We've been around the lake twice, once on a jet ski, once on a bike. Hopefully the jet ski is still there. That ski is still there. So 21.5 miles, no big speedster today, hour and 21 minutes. And as always, I appreciate the likes and the subscribes and the support you give the channel. So everybody have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. That makes me so sad. The Mosswood Farm Store is closed today. I was really looking forward to a cappuccino and a brownie.